Hey guys, thanks for finding my channel. Welcome back to Bad Hombre Garage. Hey, I've got a really cool video in store for you guys today, but first, let me cover something real quick. My statistics show that only about 1 out of every 10 of you that clicked on this video are actually subscribed to my channel. So, do me a favor, if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button. It helps me out. I'm trying to grow this channel. It doesn't cost you anything. I'd appreciate it. You subscribe, follow along. And, hey, I got a bunch more cool videos out there. You don't want to miss any that come out. You might want to just follow along with the rest of them. If you don't know how to subscribe, down below this video on the YouTube screen there should be a little thing that says subscribe. You just click that. Or down in the corner of the screen, there's a little icon. You can hover over and click subscribe there. Or if you just wait until the very end of the video, there's a little icon that'll pop up for Bad Hombre Garage. Alright, let's talk about the video I have in store for you today. It's a pretty special one. It's a cool one and a little bit different than what I have been doing. A lot of my videos are either of this, my old 29 Ford Model A, or my old Jeep that I've been putting together and working on. But this video today is completely different. This is of an old project, and I actually pulled this video up out of the archives. It's a 1946 Dodge pickup that I built about 5 or 6 years ago, and then sold it, and thankfully my brother bought it, so I still get to see the truck occasionally and enjoy it. And I made a really cool video for it, of it on my personal YouTube channel, but it had a bunch of copyrighted music and stuff on there, so I couldn't put it on this channel. But I applied a little bit of caveman editing skills, and I was able to get this whole video today up with new music on there for you guys to enjoy. Let me tell you about the pickup truck that you're going to see here. Again, 1946 Dodge. It's been in the family for 20 plus years. My dad picked it up years and years ago at a swap meet, and just kind of held on to it as kind of that next project. But he always had other better projects come up, and I eventually talked him out of it and was able to do some trading for it. In this video, you're going to see us driving, my dad and I driving all over Colorado with the thing after I barely got it running. It was a blast. So 46 Dodge pickup sitting on a mid-80s Chevy S10 chassis, and it has a small block 350 in it and a 700R4 overdrive transmission. Ford 9-inch rear end, and then a bunch of just custom fab stuff to whatever we had to do to get the thing going. So check it out. First part of the video, all build pictures and some video of when we put it together, and then just some cool video about road tripping it. Do me a favor, put a comment down there. Let me know what you think. You want to see more of this truck? Maybe I can convince my brother to get some more footage of it. Maybe go on a trip with him sometime and get out there and enjoy it. I appreciate each and every one of you for following along, watching my channel. Enjoy the video. Thanks.